Hello everyone, you're in Endurance Laser Lab. In this video we're going to show you how you may cut thin aluminum plate using Endurance DPSS laser model. So this is our 10-watt laser, infrared, with a peak power up to 57 kilowatts, and the laser beam spot is 40 microns for this laser model. So we're going to cut this aluminum plate. You can see it here, but let me show it like this. So this is a very thin plate. I can show you the measurements of this. It's 0.2 millimeters, so it's very thin. Okay, and we're going to cut a square using it. So it's very important to keep this laser in focus, and otherwise it will not do its job accurately. So to cut this aluminum plate would require from 3 up to 5 repeats. So you see that it's almost minimum speed on our duplicator 3D printer we use here. Also, do not forget to wear goggles. We suggest to use these kind of goggles, and we send them. So you can see how does it look through them. So that's very important. Safety first. And with this laser model you can actually cut up to 0.5 millimeter aluminum. I do not think that you can cut that thick steel or stainless steel. We already did an experiment and we cut thicker plate. So this one is 0.5 millimeters. Let me show it to you. Okay, here you are. So it took something like 20 passes, or 20 repeats. Well, passes anyway. Okay, and Boris is going to show us here. Okay. Okay, yeah, I can. Yeah, now you can see it. Okay, remove it. Boris is going to remove. So you can see. So it took like 3-5 passes depending on type of material. Also, we equip our laser model with advanced mounting bracket. Oh yeah, we'll show it once again. It looks nice. So you can run this laser on your 3D printer, CNC machine, XY plotter. It controls with TTL and PWM. If you have analog output, let us know. We'll equip it with Endurance MO2 PC board. So that's actually it we wanted to show you in this video. So you can cut very thin metals, especially soft metals like aluminum, brass and copper with this laser, and enjoy. Hope you'll have a wonderful experience with Endurance DPSS 10-watt laser model. Bye bye.